Hey everybody! Today we're going to practice the strategy of using base 10 blocks to subtract. I have the equation 24 minus 13 equals what? So the first thing I want to do is draw my base 10 blocks to represent 24. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. These are called quick base 10 blocks because I'm not worried about making every little individual cube. These you just make little dots. That way you can do it quickly on your paper. So when we subtract, I don't need to draw the number 13. I'm going to cross out 13. So I look down here, do my ones first. There are 3 ones in this number. So I can cross out 1, 2, 3. Now I need to cross out one stick of 10 because this represents 10. So I cross out one of these and I count what's left. 10, 11. So 24 minus 13 equals 11.